In this question, we have to find catalyst used in Clemmensen reduction. So, Clemmensen reduction is used to convert carbonyl group into alkane. So, zinc amalgam or HCl is used to convert carbonyl compound to alkane, and hence correct answer is A. The function group which is formed when phenol is made to react with chloroform in presence of dilute sodium hydroxide. So when phenol is treated with chloroform along with KOH, now this will give salicylaldehyde as a product. Now this reaction is called Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So CHO is a new function group which is introduced, and hence correct answer is D. The compound formed when ethyl bromide is heated with silver oxide. So when ethyl bromide CH3 CH2Br, two equivalents of CH3 CH2Br are heated with silver oxide. Now AgBr is removed and it will be converted to diethyl ether. So correct answer is B, diethyl ether. 1 mole of ethylamine when react with nitrous acid will produce dinitrogen gas at 0 degree Celsius temperature and 1 atmospheric equal to. So when ethylamine is treated with nitrous acid HNO2, autoprotolysis takes place in HNO2 and it will produce NO positive ion. Now on reacting with ethylamine, it will convert ethylamine to diazonium. Now this diazonium on aqueous condition will release nitrogen molecule and convert it to alcohol. So along with alcohol, nitrogen gas is formed. So from 1 mole of ethylamine, 1 mole of nitrogen gas is released, and hence correct answer is A. 22.4 liter of nitrogen gas is released from 1 mole. In this question, we have to find correct IUPAC name of the compound. Now, molecule is having two double bond, and according to IUPAC rule, maximum number of multiple bond must be present in main chain. So, main chain of the compound is this. Now, numbering should start from that end which follow lowest set of locant. So, from left side, multiple bond is present at first carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and total 10 carbon atoms are present. Now at 7th carbon ethyl is present. So 7 ethyl. Now at second carbon, 4th carbon, 5th carbon and 6th carbon methyl groups are present. So total 4 methyl groups are present. So 2, 4, 5, 6 tetra methyl. Now total 10 carbon atoms are present in ring. So deca at first and 8th position multiple bond is present. So deca 1,8 diene, and hence correct answer is A. We have to find IUPAC name of the compound A formed. So when CH3Br is treated with KCN, now SN2 reaction takes place and it will be converted to CH3CN. Now IUPAC name of the molecule is, now molecule is having 2 carbon. So ethane function group nitrile is present. So ethane nitrile, and this molecule on further reduction will be converted to ethylamine, and hence correct answer is D, ethane nitrile. In which of the following option chlorine will act as best leaving group? Now in these case, leaving group ability of Cl as anion depend on stability of carbocation form. In first case, methyl carbocation is formed. In second case, ethyl carbocation is formed. In third case, isopropyl carbocation is formed. In fourth case, tertiary carbocation is formed. Now among these carbocation, most stable carbocation is formed in fourth case having 3, 6, 8 alpha hydrogen. Now this is having only 6 alpha hydrogen, 3 alpha hydrogen and 0 alpha hydrogen. So leaving group ability of Cl negative depend on stability of carbocation formed. Most stable carbocation is formed in fourth option and hence correct answer is D. C5H10 is a carbonyl compound. The number of structural isomer possible for the molecular formula. So from C5H10O we can draw various type of open chain structure and closed structure, but restriction in this compound, they all should be carbonyl compound. So all the isomer from C5H10 which we have to draw must have carbonyl group, so they must be aldehyde or ketone. Now total aldehyde possible from C4H9CHO. Now from C4H9 we can draw 4 radical, so total 4 aldehydes are possible. Number 1, when normal butyl group is present. Number 2, when CHO is attached from isobutyl, when CHO is attached at secondary butyl, and when CHO is attached at tertiary butyl. So 4 aldehydes are possible. Now ketone, so 2 pentanone is possible, 3 pentanone is possible, and 1 when 4 main chain is having 4 carbon and at second carbon aldehyde is present. So total 4 aldehyde and 3 ketones are possible. So total 7 carbonyl compounds are possible and hence correct answer is D. Glucose when treated with concentrated nitric acid gives concentrated nitric acid act as an oxidizing agent and hence it will oxidize both the aldehyde group and this alcohol group. So CHO is oxidized to COOH and this alcohol is oxidized first to aldehyde and then to acid. So saccharic acid is formed as a product and hence correct answer is B. In this question we have to find what is product obtained when methanoic acid is heated with concentrated H2SO4. Now concentrated H2SO4 act as dehydrating agent and on heating formic acid or methanoic acid with H2SO4, water molecule is eliminated so that carbon monoxide is formed and hence correct answer is A.